To install the door guard, first close the door. Then, using the fixing template, mark the holes for the screws. Make sure the template is pushed against the frame and onto the floor. Before screwing the door guard to the door, ensure that the nighttime closing switch has been activated, if required. Also, note the serial number on the back of each unit for maintenance records. Screw the door guard to the door using the 4 screws supplied. Insert the batteries for the unit. In order for the door guard to know when to release at night, the batteries must be inserted at 12 noon. As you are screwing the battery compartment cover closed, the unit will beep. The LED will flash to indicate that the unit is working correctly. The sensitivity of the unit can be altered by inserting the screwdriver into the sensitivity adjustment hole located on the front of the unit. Open the door and mark where you need to install the floor plate. This is only required if you have a sloping floor or the force of the door closer is very strong. For concrete or stone floors, drill the holes for the floor plate, insert the plugs, and screw the floor plate to the floor with the screws provided. Check that the door guard is in the correct position when open and push the plunger down with your foot. Check that the door guard activates when the fire alarm sounds. In order for the alarm to activate the release of the door guard, the alarm sound level must be higher than 65 decibels, which is a standard requirement for offices and public spaces. SafeLinks is an approved reseller and offers a door guard with a 5-year warranty. For more information, call us free on 0800 612 6537 or visit www.safelinks.co.uk/doorguard.